Squeeze, 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 squeeze right there. Release, hinge, spread like butter, make it a little nut. But you're going too low, going too low. You see how this plate is moving? This is you. This is you on a plate. This is you on a platter. You feel me? Don't drop the plate. Keep the plate nice. Yeah, you're like, baby, I'm the plate. I'm the meal. I'm the motherfucking snack. Chin and chest at all times. I need you to slow down that movement, okay? Oh, baby, baby, you looking so good. I just need you to get your feet down pat now. How we feeling? Too hot? Get the chest on that top, up and squeeze. Every breath should be spreading.
When you say spread, it's hips wide.
So, she said, what I mean by spread.
Okay.
Spread.
I see. Visual.
Yeah. Nice. Nice. Keep going, baby. How that booty feeling?
Good.